Hello everyone, my name is Mel Tablate and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna talk about how to cash into Paymaya using Globe GCash. And if you like to know more about this, please keep on watching. Okay, this is simple. We would just dial 143 number sign from your phone. And then you have these different options. What we want to choose is number 9 for GCash. And then select send money, number 4. And then there you have GCash to GCash or GCash to Paymaya. Select number 2. And you would have to enter the mobile number of the Paymaya you would like to cash into. Once you've done that, all you have to do is to enter the amount you would like to send. And then here's the confirmation page. Select 1 to confirm the transaction. The next thing you're gonna do is to enter your 4-digit GCash PIN. And that's it, guys. You have now transferred the amount to your Paymaya account. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions or any additional insight, please comment down below. And please consider subscribing to my channel. Click the bell icon so that you get notification when I upload new videos. Thank you, guys.